Raise, grow up, bring up, and grow always cause confusion, and in fact, I guarantee that you don't know all the differences between them. So why don't we go through them all together, and by the end of this video, you'll know them, and you'll say, wow, Smash English is great, I'm definitely going to subscribe. Ooh, let's go. Let us start with the most fundamental differences. One of these verbs is intransitive. That means that one of these verbs cannot take an object. Also, one of these verbs can be both transitive and intransitive. That means it can be used with an object, but it can also be used without an object. And lastly, two of these verbs are transitive. That means they always need an object in order to make sense. So, which of these verbs is intransitive? Which of these verbs never takes an object? The answer is grow up. You can grow up, but you cannot grow up something, and you cannot grow up someone. No, someone can grow up, and that's it. And which of these verbs is intransitive and transitive? Grow. For example, you can grow a plant, and a plant can grow. It can take an object, and it also can make sense without taking an object. So that means that both bring up and raise are transitive. They need an object in order to make sense. You cannot say I bring up, and you cannot say I raise. No, because you need an object. Firstly, grow up refers to maturity. It refers to transitioning from childhood to adulthood. For example, I can say I grew up in London, and this means I went from being a child to an adult in London. It could also refer to my mental attitude to the world. Perhaps I became a lot more mature during my stay in London, so I could say I really grew up during my time in London. I had to get a job and pay rent and pay the bills, and it was terrible. Grow, on the other hand, is much simpler, because grow only refers to the size of something. So something can grow up, become more mature, without necessarily growing. For example, I haven't actually grown since I was 16. I'm exactly the same height, and it's really embarrassing. However, I would like to think that I've grown up since I was 16, that I'm a bit more mature, right? Yeah, Mr. Toby, you're totally mature. You're basically a fully functioning adult.
Yes, Toby. You're the perfect example of an adult human male.
Thank you. I'm a big boy. Also, we tend to use grow up for people. We don't use it for plants, and I guess you could use it for an animal that you're particularly affectionate towards, but usually grow up is reserved for people. Grow, on the other hand, we can use to describe anything that gets bigger. Now let's take a look at our transitive verbs. Grow, bring up, and raise. Let us start with bring up. Please remember, you can only bring up children. For example, she brought up 6 children all on her own. This phrasal verb can be separable. That means we can put the object between the verb and the preposition. So, she brought 6 children up all on her own is also possible. Just remember, because students do this all the time, we cannot say she grew up 6 children. No, that doesn't exist. Instead, you need to say she brought up 6 children. Additionally, we often use bring up in the passive. So you could say, I was born in Rome, but I was brought up in London. Now let's take a look at raise. In what way is raise any different to bring up? Well, it's not. It's basically exactly the same. You could say she raised 6 children all on her own, and this is exactly the same as she brought up 6 children all on her own. You could say, I was brought up in London, or you could say, I was raised in London, and the meaning is identical. Just remember that we tend to use phrasal verbs in informal writing. So if you're writing an essay, it's probably better to use raise instead of bring up. Oh, but there is one slight difference. You can raise animals, and this isn't in the sense of having a pet. Instead, it's in the sense of agriculture. If you're a farmer and you have lots of animals, then you are raising animals. You're not bringing them up. No, you are raising them. And lastly, what about grow when it is a transitive verb? Well, it's exactly the same as raise and bring up, except we cannot use grow for children or animals. So actually, I guess it's completely different. We use grow for plants. If you grow a plant, it means that you have a plant and you are intentionally providing it with the conditions that it needs to grow. You can also grow parts of your body, like your hair and your nails. And yeah, that's it for grow. So then, let's summarize what we've learned today. For our intransitive verbs, grow and grow up refers to transitioning from childhood to adulthood, and grow refers to increasing in size. For our transitive verbs, grow, raise, and bring up can refer to children, but not animals and not plants. Raise can refer to children and animals in an agricultural sense, but not plants. And we use grow to refer to growing plants and parts of our bodies like hair and nails. And yeah, that's it. And so now you know the differences between grow, grow up, raise, and bring up. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below. My name is Toby, and this was Smash English.